What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am Derek. I go by Big Boy, and today I'm going to be doing something very interesting. Recently, I started to do more reverse dips, and I think that I want to try and do a few more of them. But this time it's going to be a little different. I'm going to be doing it on a bigger canvas, the one I've never done this size canvas to date. The only one I've done is this one right here. You've seen the short of me finishing this one. I like that one, and I decided to do another one. But like I said, it's going to be done on a bigger canvas. This is a 24 by 24, and we're going to see if I can get this one done right. All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, let's go. Let's get into it. Now, the colors I'm going to be using for this dip is silver by Artist Loft, Quinacridone magenta by Liquitex Basics, neon yellow by Artist Loft, Mars black by Liquitex, and titanium white by Liquitex. Okay. Now, I'm not going to be pouring these in any particular fashion. I'm just going to pour across, leaving lines, try and fill up this little square right here I have taped off. This is about 26 by 26. Give the paint, when I flip the canvas over, the paint can flow outwards as I push down, giving it that much space. All right. So, like I said, I'm not going to be pouring in any particular fashion. So we're going to start with the silver. And what I'm going to do is start at one corner, just easy, like this. Again, no particular fashion, just make sure the color can be seen. Alright. Next, I'm going to do magenta. We're going to start down here now. Again, no particular fashion. Try and fill in the spaces. Alright, next we got no, actually we're not going to do neon, we're going to do white this time. I'm going to do white this time. Go ahead, start with white. Now, there are going to be spaces, as you can see, where there's no paint. And that's fine, because when you press down, that's when everything's going to blend together. So don't worry. If you see some space. The space it will get full. All right. And now we can finish with magenta. Doesn't really matter where you started, so just make sure it's in there. No particular fashion, just make sure it's in there. As you can see, the spaces are filling up with paint, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright. What we're going to do is get these out the way so I don't spill any on the floor. Lord knows I have a mosaic on the floor right now with all how much I spilled paint. But that's alright. That's alright. Now, the way to do this is what I like to do is I just like to put it in. Alright. Press down on the corners. Take an edge all the way up. Get this edge. Get this edge. And then press down in the middle. Yeah, I got big hands, so it's okay. Alright, now the first time is probably not going to be that great for first timers, but keep at it. You'll get it. Just keep pressing down. Get the corners again. Alright. Now I have the top anchored because I need to pull it up this way, so I have it anchored with weight so I don't pull everything up with me. So you're going to put your finger right here, grab the edge, and just pull one continuous motion. And, ooh. What do you think of that? Yeah, that looks nice. That's nice right there. I like that. Alright. That is one continuous motion. But there are some spots here that I need to address, but other than that, that's actually not that bad. But to get the edges, all you gotta do is this. Dab. 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 And dab. And the corners are done. Alright. Now that is a nice reverse dip right there. I will be doing some touch-ups, but as you can see, it actually doesn't look that bad. Like a little small cell area right here. Alright. But like I said, there's some spots that I need to take. So I will be taking care of that off camera, but as it looks right now, it actually looks pretty good. I'm going to do a close-up view when I'm done to let you see what it actually looks like. So I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you in the close-up viewing. Alright? Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I did a touch-up. I like it like that, so let's zoom in, get a close-up of it. I did not want a lot of sellage in here, so I'm not gonna spray it down. So what I am gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like this. I'm gonna let it dry, and then come back to it and see what it looks like. There are some spots that I might redo this again, I don't know. But it seems like I might. Thicken the paint a little bit before I do. Like this part right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this over again. And I will put it on a short to let you see what it looks like. But for now, if you like my channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps my algorithm and it helps my channel grow a little bit better. And hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.